RV1, I'm Mark Rosenthal with the Weatherblast update. We are under a winter storm warning until 6 o'clock tonight. You can see in pink. And very quickly, I just want to talk about some snowfall amounts. 7.5 so far in Saugus, still snowing there. 10.2 in Ludlow, the snow continues to fall. In South Hadley, they have over 9 inches of snow. Framingham, closer to home, over 8. Wakefield is 8 inches of snow and continuing to snow. Dedham is up to 10 inches of snow. Millis 9. In the Newton-Needham area, over 9 inches, and the snow continues to pile up. All right, let's get into it and see what we have right now in terms of the mosaic radar. You'll be able to see that the sleet line, this pink zone, is getting very close to the Boston area at the present time. We have freezing rain in Providence, and the snow may mix with some sleet in the Boston area for a time, but if that does happen, it will be going back over to snow this afternoon. We have another batch of heavier precipitation coming up from New Jersey, New York City, and Long Island. This will be moving off to the east-northeast for the early afternoon hours, so the storm is not over yet. As we take another view, Chatham radar shows a big burst of snow in the greater Boston area at the present time. You see the darker green here. Sorry about a little stutter step there, but you can see this moderate to heavy band of snow in Boston. There's some other elements of precipitation developing off to our southwest as well. All right, as we look at the latest surface map, this is very interesting. You're going to see our primary area of low pressure back into western Pennsylvania. Here's the secondary now developing south of Long Island. This will take over the circulation. And notice, if you can, by the isobars, what's called some cold air damming. We have some drainage going on here with the north and northeast wind. That's helping lock the cold air in, certainly at the surface, even though from about 5,000 to 10,000 feet, there seems to be a warm layer now just coming up from the south, and that's why we're seeing freezing rain in Providence and much of Connecticut, except for Hartford, seeing sleet and freezing rain. And we may get into some sleet for a time this afternoon, although I think the colder air is going to funnel back down if that happens and change everything back to snow. So how much snow are we talking about? Well, 4 to 8 inches just to the south of Boston, 3 to 5 over the Cape and the Islands. They already have 2. I'm thinking they may wind up with a flip back to snow before the storm winds down late today. And certainly from Boston, 128 points north and west, everybody is in the 6 to 12 zone. All right, forecast for Boston goes like this. For the balance of the afternoon, it's snowy and cold. Again, the snow could mix with or change to sleet for a while, even up as far north as Boston, and then go back to snow. Temperatures in the range of 27 to 34, 30s, while south. It'll be close to 30 in Boston, 20s in the 128 belt north and west. Then overnight, the storm winds down this evening, followed by clearing and cold weather, teens, low 20s. Now here's your 5-day forecast. Tomorrow, sunny and cold near freezing. And on Friday, partly sunny, partly cloudy, colder, mid-20s. Saturday, a sunny start in the 20s. I've been just looking at some new computer guidance, and that would suggest at this moment that we're not in for a blockbuster storm for Sunday and Monday, but it could be snowing here late Saturday night, Sunday into early Monday, with the potential for a few inches. I don't totally want to throw out the chance that it could be a major storm, but right now I'm leaning away from that. Certainly stay tuned, and we'll keep you posted. I'm meteorologist Mark Rosenthal. Please stay tuned for updates.